Phillips head screwdriver. Allen keys that you'll need are a 4, 5 and 3mm Allen key. I've got them hooked up on a drill, so I'm going to be using the drills. Okay, first things first, we need to take the magazine away from the body. So to do that, we need to undo the one at the back, this one here, which is a 5mm Allen key. Now we've got a 3mm Allen key down the bottom here. Undo that one, watch out for the washer. And now the 4mm one above it. The magazine should just come sliding down now. Put that to the side. Open up the back cap by undoing the 4 bolts on the back. These are 4mm Allen key bolts. Watch out for this one here. This one here sometimes comes out and it just belongs in here. It's for the bolt on the back. Make sure you do this on a clear bench space. Okay. Now we can take that cap off, unplug the fan unit by going like that, and spark plug unplug. Take the fan unit away, and now we will separate the body from the handle by undoing this one here, which is another 4mm Allen key. Screw that on like that, screw on a little bit and just give it a slight tap, like so. It pops out like that. Now we have the tool in 4 separate parts. Now we're going to grab the Phillips head screwdriver and undo 1, 2, 3, 4 screws from inside the handle. Now that those are all undone, this should just separate like so. It's all separated, and take the trigger out. Now we're to replace the PCB and this switch assembly, the double switch assembly. Let's first undo these two. Now we can take away the spark lead. Some plugs from there. Now we want to undo this one here next to the trigger switch. And one last one just here. Once it's been undone, the PCB and switch assembly can come out. Now you'll have to take the adapter off to put onto your new PCB assembly. Now we're just going to reassemble it the same way we took it apart.